Welcome back. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to set up your OpenAI API key and integrate it here into n8n so that you can chat with the model just like this and have it respond back to you. See, I ask what is the capital of France and it tells me the capital of France is Paris. You'll also have access to the DALL-E models to be able to make images, the Whisper transcription services, as well as a host of other OpenAI products. And so to be able to do this, what we do is we just need to set up a simple model. You can also come over to your overview. We'll go ahead and do that real quick. You'll see, come to your overview, and you just click on credentials. That's one way to get to this, but we're gonna do this right here within the workflow. So what we have is our chat input. We have our AI agent, which is hooked up to our model. In this case, I'm using an OpenAI chat model. You can swap this out for Claude, for Grok, for DeepSeek, any of the other models that you want. But today we're talking about OpenAI. So all we got to do is double click into it. You'll see it says OpenAI chat model. I have an OpenAI account already. So if you're starting out and you don't have this, all you do is you click this drop down. You'll see I used to have some DeepSeek models here. That's because they used to not have a DeepSeek node in n8n, and I had to go through OpenAI. But all you do is you click here on create new credential. And then I'll close that. And if you have questions about what you're supposed to do, I recommend checking out the docs. The docs are great in n8n. All you gotta do is open those up and they explain, yes, I will cookie consent. They explain how to set it all up. They walk you through the process. They even get you over to OpenAI's documentation and they give you step-by-steps as well. So all we gotta do here is we need an API key and a base URL. So what we're going to do is we're going to set up our OpenAI key by coming over to Google or whatever search platform you're using. Just search for OpenAI API. You're going to find the platform.openai.com. Click on that. And then you'll get to their platform here. If you do not have a ChatGPT account, if you do not have any account whatsoever, click on sign up. And then all you have to do is put in your email address or connect with Google. And I'm going to go ahead and connect with Google. I'm going to create a new account to show you how to do this. We'll do this, and I'll do my email address. Just connect with Google. Do I want to continue? Yes. And my name, Bradford Carlton, my birthday, 11/01/1986. Don't give me any presents, please. And that should do it. I should be in. Now we're going to set up our organization. We're going to call this AI business automation. What best describes us? I'm not very technical, so we're going to create the organization. And I don't care about inviting my team. And we're just going to call this n8n test account with a default project name, a default project, generate the API. So it's going to give us this API. I'm going to delete this later. Never ever share your API keys online. Click that. Come back to n8n, paste in my API key, back over here, and we are looking for this guy here. I believe it's this. We need this here, the V1, not even the whole thing, but we're going to grab the whole thing. So it's already here, so V1. And that's actually should do it. So let's go ahead and save that. And my credentials have been connected. Now, what you're going to most likely find is when you click next, they have you put in credits. So go ahead and just purchase your credits. I'm going to do that later just because this is a test account. I don't need it. I already have my credentials. But put $5 in. $5 is going to go a long way, especially if you're using the 4.0 mini model. You really aren't going to have to worry too much about this. I've done millions and millions and millions of tokens over the past several months, and I can't say I've spent more than $10 across all the platforms because I've been economical about the model that I'm using. So I'll buy credits later. Either way, there you are. You've set up OpenAI. It's here integrated into n8n. And once you have put in your money, I'm going to switch back to my other account that actually has money on it. That's it. You just create a quick little workflow like this, and then how long is the Nile River? And boom, answers by reaching out to ChatGPT. We can even click in here and see that it cost me 55 completion tokens, 22 prompt tokens, for a total of 77 tokens for that request. That's just about it. I'll say this, if you enjoyed this tutorial, please check out my free school community for additional resources, free n8n workflows, technical support, and a great community of business owners looking to implement AI automation. Or you can join my paid community for advanced tips, detailed tutorials, and direct support. The links are provided in the description below. Other than that, I'll ask that you like the video if it helped you out. Please subscribe to the channel, it really does help. And I'll catch you on the flip side.